We're all in this together. It doesn't matter what your politics are, where you worship, whom you love, where you live, how much money you make, what language you may speak, what color your skin is, whether you're a high school dropout or a college graduate, what kind of car you drive, or any of the other differences that are used to divide us into opposing factions. Folks, what unites us is that we're all traveling this road together. Despite our best efforts, we in the American police state seem to be stuck on repeat, reliving the same set of circumstances over and over and over again. Egregious surveillance, strip searches, police shootings of unarmed citizens, government spying, censorship, retaliatory arrests, the criminalization of lawful activities, warmongering, indefinite detentions, SWAT team raids, asset forfeiture, and so on and so on. Unfortunately, as a nation, we have become so desensitized to the government's acts of violence. We've become so accustomed to reports of government corruption and so anesthetized to the sights and sounds of corporate America marching in lockstep with the police state that few of us seem to pay heed to the warning signs blaring out a clear and very strong message: danger ahead. Remember, the Titanic received at least 4 warnings from other ships about the presence of the icebergs in its path, with the last warning issued an hour before disaster struck. All 4 warnings were ignored. Like the Titanic, we're plowing full steam ahead into a future riddled with hidden and not so hidden dangers. We too have been given ample warnings, only to have them drowned out by a carefully choreographed cacophony of political noise, cultural distractions, and entertainment news. What the Romans termed bread and circuses, aimed at keeping we the people polarized, pacified, and easily manipulated. However, there is still danger ahead. The peril to our republic remains the same. As long as a permanent, unelected bureaucracy, also known as the shadow government, continues to call the shots in the halls of power and reach of the police state continues to expand, the crisis has not been averted. The new boss, folks, has proven to be no better than the old boss. Here are some of the stumbling blocks that keep thwarting our pursuit of freedom. Find out more on this week's edition of Battlefield America.